Hi, Smeg fridge makes a buzzing sound.
What's the make and model of the fridge? And can you guesstimate how old is it?
Bought it about 1.5 years ago but started using it about May this year.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Where can I find the model number? If the work is not complicated, I can try to fix it myself.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
There is a water leak at the back. It has a mains water connection.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. Do you have the model number, please? Also, is the appliance still cooling okay other than the noise?
Appliance is still cooling okay. How is it that full amount has been collected before the solution is provided? I will need to check for the model number when I get home.
No worries, post the model number when you can. As to the payment side, I cannot help you on this as I don't get involved in the money side, so you need to email customer service about that.
Here is what is stuck on the back of the fridge. I hope this is the model number you need. Hashtag SBS63 cross Smeg EU to 1032 to 15 to 100,438 to 1001.
That's great, thanks. As to the noise then, is the buzzing coming from inside the fridge or freezer or around the back? When it makes the noise, how often and long does it make the noise for?
The noise comes from the back, at the bottom. It goes off for long periods and then comes back on for about 23 minutes and then off again repeatedly following a similar cycle. Can't say for how long the quiet period is, but the quiet periods seem longer than the noisy periods. More like a compressor coming on to keep the temperature constant. I had also mentioned that there is a small but messy water leakage from the back.
Okay, what you need to do is pull the appliance out and remove the back panel. There you will see the compressor and the condenser fan. Leave it to run, and when it starts making the noise, check to see where it's coming from. As with the panels off, you should be able to work out if it's the condenser fan or the compressor. If it's the condenser fan, then you can replace this yourself. But if it's the compressor that's making the noise, then I'm afraid this isn't a DIY fix, as a fridge engineer will need to call out and do the repair, as it will involve regassing it after it's been repaired. As to the water at back, you need to check the drain tube going to the drip tray and see if the water is leaking from there. You will see all this once the back cover is removed.
Will do as advised and report back. Do you deal with this issue regularly with Smeg fridges? I ask because this is an almost new fridge and I don't expect to start replacing parts at this stage. I wonder if it is a reliable brand.
To be honest, Smeg don't make their own side-by-side appliances. They use other brands, and this model looks like it's a Beko-built appliance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.